Hey everyone, welcome back to the FHMB channel, and in this episode we are going to be doing an Enduro bike check. Let's crack on. So welcome back everyone. As some of you may know, I've entered myself into an Enduro race which is next Sunday. So today I'm going to walk you through what I've done to the bergamont to prepare for the race, and then you can comment below if you think I've done too much or too little. Let me know. And my cameraman for the day is none other than
I'm back.
Sammy is back.
So
yeah, go on.
Update on the progress with the elbow physio. As you can see, I'm getting there. Can't quite straighten out yet. Can't quite tense or drive properly yet, but I'm getting there. Hopefully another week or two should be back to driving and biking mainly.
Good man. So the bone's all healed.
Yeah.
You're just physioing now to get full motion back in it.
Get it in the back. Yeah.
And then hopefully, unfortunately you're not going to be ready for this race.
No.
But hopefully you'll have got some training in and be ready for the next one.
And also I can click it now. It clicks all the time. That's a good bonus.
A clicky elbow.
Yeah.
Very good.
I like it.
Right, let's crack on with the bike check. Right, so let's start at the back. So I haven't changed the tyre, we're sticking with the Hans Dampf, but I have put some armour in there just to protect it from the rocks, and I can run a bit lower pressure. If we move on, the shock settings, I've set it up a bit harder, so I've got full use of all these switches. So I've got it nice and soft and quite firm, and then for the climb we can click it onto fire road setting. Up here we've got a puncture repair kit, some tyre levers, some CO2 canisters, and some, I can't remember what you call them little bungs you put in your tyre if you get a hole. A spare tube, got me water bottle. On the other side we've got a pump. I've got some new Syncross pedals which are really wide, really big footprint on them, so they're super comfortable for the long day which I'll be having. What else we got? Let's go up to the handlebars, Sammy. I've got my high-rise handlebars back on here because I feel most comfortable with those. And then in the middle we've got the granite multi-tool. And then in this side of the handlebars we've got the granite tyre bung kit for fixing punctures, and in this side we have a granite chain breaker. So we should have all eventualities covered. This is the lid that I'll be wearing, super lightweight, awesome bit of kit. I really like this, lets loads of air through, keeps you cool, which I think is super important. And then also this is me little pack I'll be wearing, which will obviously have a bladder in with water, loads of cake and sausage roll and a pork pie. The important stuff.
Sausage pie.
Yeah. Oh, and maybe some sausage pie. So that is pretty much my setup for the race. If you think I've missed out, please comment, let me know. It's my first race, so I ain't got a clue really, just making it up as I go along. So that's it. I guess the next thing to do is maybe just go out and test ride and see how it's going.
Cross country.
Let's crack on.
Crack on.
Right, so we've come to Hamilton Hill to test out the Enduro setup. I forgot to mention I've also got these beasties. Some Troy Lee T-bones. So I'll let you know what they're like. They feel pretty good. They're nice and flexible, yet tough enough to take a decent impact. Quite nice fit. So I'll let you know how I get on with them. I'm pretty much wearing all the kit that I will be wearing next week. So we'll have a couple of runs down and see how it feels. Crack on. Right, let's drop in for the first run, Hamilton Hill, Enduro setup. Come in, Sammy. See how she rides. Looks a bit slippy. No, that's quite nice actually, Willie. I think that's near enough set up for here, which I guess gives me a nice base setting to work off next week. Right, back to the top. Right, let's drop in for another run. Let's go. Wait. I do love that track. And all the gears running nice. Not really noticing any difference with the extra weight. But with a gut this size, you don't really notice extra weight. Alright, let's go back to the top, have another go. So I think we're going to wrap that one up today, ladies and gentlemen. The old bergamont's running sweet. I think I've got it set up somewhere near usable. So we'll see what happens. We can all have a laugh at me making a prat of myself next week.
I'll be there. Whee!
Yay! Sam's going to do some hammering for us and be my pit crew. So there we go. So if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe, and we'll both catch you in the next one.
Rock on.